Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can cancel your OnlyFans subscription in just a few seconds. This will be a video, just under a minute. So let's get started. So first of all, what you will need to do is obviously log in into your OnlyFans account. This is how the login screen will look like, right? Very simple, very straightforward. You need to find the user ID that you would like to unsubscribe from. So OnlyFans, as you know, uses automatic auto renew feature. So every time you subscribe to a page, you will basically also turn on auto renew, right? So you need to go to the following page and select profiles that you no longer wish to subscribe to, right? Then, as you can see right here, you will have basically to turn off the auto renewal switch. When you have achieved that, to cancel your subscription properly, you will no longer be able to see unsubscribed account on your feed. Now done, you have achieved to cancel your OnlyFans subscription. This is how this will look like. Very simple, very straightforward. Now, if you have any problems, obviously you can always contact OnlyFans support on Twitter, which is a very, very responsive support as well. So that's pretty much how it works. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.